Good morning, guys. So today we have some fun stuff planned.
The adventure starts at the Chinese border where we're going to climb the Lukang. Daniel's gonna fix whatever
I'll put it down
slaughter of pronunciation I did down here. To go and see China from Vietnam. We're gonna make it all the way to the border. And then we're going to head straight to Mio Vạc, which is known as the most beautiful stretch of road in the entire Ha Giang Loop. It's only 22 kilometers from Dong Van, which is awesome because that means it's only gonna be about an hour. But we're so excited to show you all of the beautiful scenery and honestly wrap up all of the new bits of the Ha Giang Loop.
Yeah. And hopefully it won't rain this time because we've definitely had to be like stuck in a couple hotels and then evacuate a city, but it's a story for later.
Yeah.
All right, now to the bike.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready to go.
So we're trying to make it to this like watchtower so we can see the Chinese border, but literally every other turn is this beautiful. It's so picture perfect. Oh my God, I didn't even see that. Ah, I didn't even see that. I was looking over here. Oh my God, you cannot just listen to the GPS and if it says 1 hour, take 3. Like you have to stop off all the time. But now it's time for the photo shoot with Costello. So we went over some mud on the way here and got mud all over the backpack, but we have made it to the beginning of the hike to where we can get to the Lung Khu, right? Yeah, I think it's Lung Khu. Yeah. Hopefully so. Anyways, we're at the bottom, so we can hike all the way up to the top of the Lung Khu Tower, and then from up there, apparently it's like a beautiful view. I think it's about 20,000 to actually be able to go into the tower. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that yet, but I guess we'll see when we get up there.
Time to work them glutes. So after walking up the stairs for like 15 minutes, we realized there's a road that led straight here. The GPS was taking us there, but we saw the stairs, so we're like, nope, this must be the way.
Wait, we
stopped you guys.
Oh no, I was
To be fair,
I was making a crack at a net.
Daniel said,
I
the
said
road's
keep
telling me this
driving,
way,
the road
and I
tells me
was
this
like,
way.
but the stairs are over there, and then you guys honked, and that's why we went. Oops. But we got exercise, burning off all the beer.
Come on.
No, it's okay. Huh. So we made it to the top. Haven't had breakfast yet, so these little Vietnamese Maria cookies are delicious. But it was 25,000 to get in, so we're gonna walk up now.
I'm tired. Let's go.
Oh, I almost tripped.
Are you okay?
I just stubbed the crap out of my toe.
Oh. Get it together, Daniel.
Yeah.
Thankfully, this one isn't as bad as our like Tiger Temple hike in Krabi, Thailand. If you guys want to see that video, click up there, because that one was a little rough. But hopefully the view is just as good. Oh, that's cool.
Y'all, I am so sweaty. That was hard work to get up here, but it was nice because we haven't exercised really a lot while we were in Vietnam. And so this is made up for all of the lack of exercise and all of the beers and food that we've been having over the last week with our friends. But I do have tons of information about this, so hold on to your panties. This Long Cu flagpole represents Vietnam's sovereignty, and it's located in the northernmost tip of Vietnam. Literally, we can see China from here, and the flag that's up at the top is 54 square meters. And the reason why it was created that big is to represent the 54 ethnic minorities that live in the Dong Dang Geopark area. It's just really cool that this whole area was created to commemorate Vietnam's sovereignty and also to pay respect to all of the different cultures that exist in the area. On that note, you are able to climb all the way to the top to the flagpole itself. So we're gonna do that now that we are a little bit more refreshed, have had some water, and have taken a break, because man, your girl's sweaty. To the top. Oh, more stairs. Is this a prison? At least these stairs are easier.
And for some unknown reason, there's a breeze in here, which is so nice. And thankfully the air up here and like the mountain, if you're out of the sun, it's nice and cool. Almost jacket weather worthy, but oh goodness.
We're almost there, buddy. Never again. That's a big old flag. Bring water. Bring your motorbike. Take the road. We took the stairs less traveled by, and it made all the difference. And not the good kind. So I know that downstairs we saw that this was 54 square meters, but holy guacamole, did I not realize that it would be this big. It is huge. Literally, like, you have to dodge it when the wind comes or it just like slaps you in the face a little bit. But guys, this view is incredible. We are standing at the top of the mountain, and it's called Dragon's Mountain. And so legend has it that way back when, 550 million years ago, when this whole thing happened, the villagers struggled a lot with finding water. And so what happened, or legend has it, that before the dragon went back up to heaven, it left its eyes. And so that's what they have accredited to the two lakes that are down here, which is where the villagers get their water. But realistically and scientifically, there are two sinkholes that formed here and then were sealed off by that red clay that we fell in the other day. So yeah, that's the story behind the lakes, y'all. Although to be fair, I don't know if I'd drink out of that. It looks kind of mucky. So we're gonna head downstairs for lunch now, and I would take you with me, but honestly, it's a lot of work to go down. So we've made it to food. We're about to hopefully get some fried noodles and then get back on the road. On that note, guys, thank you so much for joining us to the Long Cu flagpole. Please click the subscribe button down below to see more adventures of us around the world. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and a comment below so that we can continue making videos like these for you. On that note, see you guys on our next adventure.